Gusts to 54, and it is a complete whiteout outside right now. Just letting you know. This is the 12 o'clock update. Cheyenne, Wyoming. This is the blizzard. It is cranking right now. It is like brutal outside. You don't want to be out at all. That is just freaking phenomenal. Hang on. Okay, here is the 2 p.m. update. It is a complete whiteout, probably less than 100-foot visibility right now with these winds blowing through 40, 50 miles an hour. And you can just see the snow just blowing everywhere. I'll try to get a shot of the trees. Nope, ain't gonna happen. Very, very minimal. So that's what the 2 o'clock update is. We're still in the teeth of this monster, and I will give you a further update later on. Knock on wood, we haven't lost power yet, but my God, it's blowing. All right, and here's the garage door, the sides of it, where the garage keeps bowing in back and forth, letting these snow drifts in that I will eventually have to take care of. And listen to that. I mean, that is crazy. And here's the other side. And you can see it's just wanting to blow right in. I can't do anything more than what I've done. Try to prop it up. Put a little support on them. So hopefully they'll stay where they're at. But hurricane force winds. And I got to tighten up that thing because it's about to drive me insane. Flop, flop, flop. It's got to stop, stop, stop. More updates here in a bit. See ya. Stay safe.
Closes here in Rapid City all over the Wyoming line in an hour. Sure, we had to close our way from Moa to Chamberlain about 2 hours ago. Now we're closed from Moa all the way to the Wyoming line at 4 o'clock. It took a little longer for the storm to get here than we anticipated, but it is here now and we're ready to go.
Man, I'm telling you, this is the strongest winter storm I have seen for a long, long time. It is now 3:20, and this stuff is still blowing through. I mean, look, can't even see the pole barn, barely. I mean, it's just rocking and rolling. This is a hurricane, basically, in a snowstorm. That's what this is. And it is just absolutely brutal. No way anybody's going anywhere. We're just riding this baby out. All right, I'll be back later with another update. I had to come back. All right, I had to come back on again because this thing is raging. We're talking 50-foot visibility now. And it is ugly out there. Blowing by. Just crazy. Anyway, yeah, this is getting into the real heavy bands that are wrapped around this thing. And I've just about lost the driveway past the pole. So, whew, man, if this goes on for another 6-8 hours, it's going to be a rough one to get out of. Check this out. This is absolutely brutal.
Don't have any flights going back out until Saturday.
That is nuts. You know what's weird? The camera can see the trees, but I can't see them. I can't see past where the grass is there. I can't see those trees. Camera can though. But man, is it blowing. That is crazy. All right, more in a little bit when I get a chance to put it on here. It's a blowing. Okay, this is the 5 o'clock p.m. update. Still cranking. Ferocious storm. I don't think I've seen a storm rage this long here forever, or ever, really. Still sustained at 30 plus, hitting 40 with the snow coming down in this hurricane blizzard. I just call it a hurricane blizzard because that's what it is. Amazing. All right, I'll update you more later. We're still good.
Corey is very astute. Very good, Corey. And indeed, it would be classified as a derecho. This is a long-lived wind event. You have to have there's certain criteria, and it can be a little subjective in the
Okay. I am going to go out and clear the snow from around the natural gas meter again. So wish me luck. Peace out. I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, this is the 6 o'clock update. It's starting to slow down a little bit on the snow, but the blowing snow is still raging on. And those drifts have got to be 3.5, 4 feet out there in the tree line. There's a drift behind the pole barn that I don't know how tall it is, but I would say it's at least 3 or 4 feet. Still blowing and snowing. I mean, just 35, 40 mile an hour, 45, 50 sustained. Whatever it wants to do, I mean, it just keeps going and going and going. I guess I know what people in a hurricane feel like now. But we've still got power, and everything else is still shut down. I don't even think all the roads are closed. They're not even running plows. Not until this stuff gets done. Just hoping my trees hang on out there. Anyway, that is the 6 o'clock update. We'll see you later, and stay safe. Okay, I showed you my garage door earlier. This is it now. And I'm actually just going to leave this here until the wind calms down, because it's actually insulating the garage door a little bit better. If I was to remove that, it would just build back up again. This is over on the left side, and I'm just monitoring it. And we'll probably scoop some of it out that's on the garage floor here and try to throw it out back. I'm not even sure I can get the back door open. So in the meantime, there's a bucket. I can put it in the bucket. All right, this is 6 o'clock. We'll see y'all later. I'll update more. Okay, I missed the 7 o'clock update, but it's about 7:30 at night. And look at that. I mean, just honking. It is still cranking out of the northwest. So, we're still under the blizzard until 6 o'clock tomorrow night. And I think it's probably going to be ugly. Anyway, 7:30 update. See ya. Stay safe. All right, just a shot I don't even have a flag on the pole. And that's what's coming around the northeast side of the house right now. It's insane. Stay safe. Okay, and here's our back porch right now. Still part of the 7:30 update, but I figured I'd just go ahead and do it. I mean, that's ugly. Seriously, hugely. Oh, man. Somebody please make it stop. All right, more later. Stay safe. So, I came over here and tried to take a seat. No, that's not going to work. Hey, but look, I can stand up right there. But as I went out further toward the tree line, holy crap. That's got to be 7 foot. At least. That tree is 12 foot tall. So maybe 6 feet. Of drifts in the tree line. And I'm just waking up going, that's going to be some good moisture. And bare grass, 6 foot drift. Bare grass, 6 foot drift. That's a freaking blizzard. And I think I might be able to get out of my driveway with like 4 scoops from a loader. Just 4 scoops. All I need is 4 scoops from a loader. Okay. I'm going to get some more coffee and contemplate trying to get 4 scoops. Where can I get a there? There's a picture of the fifth wheel with that monster drift behind it. Holy crap. All right, good morning, America. I'll be back. Everybody stay safe. Okay, we're opening up the garage this morning. We're going to take a look and see what we got. I got a mess inside, I know that for sure. Over there. And probably a 3.5 foot drift across the front of the garage. Get over here so you can see it better. Damn, people calling me, texting me. I guess they're just worried about me, but damn, I'm all right, folks. All right. Here's the drift right there. I can probably make it through over there on the car, but we'll have to bust this baby out sometime soon. Holy crap, it's still blowing too. All right, I'm going to shut this garage back down. Hopefully I can get it to seal again. Maybe that was a bad idea. And we'll just see what today brings. Damn it. Oh, well, that's good. Now I can't get the garage door down because there's too much snow on the sensor. Oh, that was a really bad idea, Tom. Holy shit. All right, here's lesson 1. After a blizzard and you have 3 feet of snow in your garage, do not attempt to open the garage door. That was my first mistake. Because the sensors were all covered. It wouldn't go back down. And I had 40 and 50 mile an hour winds coming in here, which was drifting more. And this was all before I had coffee. I just wanted to see what it was like. Well, don't see what it's like before you have coffee and you know that you're not going to be able to get the door shut until you shovel for 2 hours and get all the freaking snow out so you can shut your door again. Blizzard 101. I'm starting a book right now. Whew, I'm tired. It's 8:30. I'll see you. I'm going to get coffee. Okay, so I just went and shoveled a path out of the front door was about 3 feet deep all the way up the door. So rested, got me some coffee. I just wanted to show you this drift out by the fifth wheel. It's as tall as I am, you can't really tell from here. White doesn't really work real well, but anyway, I'll darken it down a little bit. You can see a little bit more. The drift on the back side of the fifth wheel is huge. Eric came over with his front end loader and got like half of my drift in front of the garage door out, and then went and did his stuff. And Dave's coming back with his Kubota tractor here in a little bit, dig the rest of that drift out. I'm telling you, that drift, I thought, well, snowblower. Oh, hell no. It's like concrete. We're talking about some rock hard snow that is piled up. It would take me a week to get through the drift in the driveway, and I'll show that to you here in just a second. Wind's still blowing. It's still rocking and rolling out there, so if you ain't got to get out, don't get out. And don't open your garage door if you have 3 feet of snow inside. I will pop this and just let you take a look. I finally got it where the garage door was shut again. There's where he started digging through. There's the pile of snow that he dug out of there. But he drove right up on top of this. Holy crap, and it's still blowing. So anyway, it's about half as tall as I am. And I'm shutting this garage door again because Dave's coming with the tractor. And it's going to be flying everywhere. So stand by for news.